delicious. Get your slime.
And that's it. That's time.
Joe, do you like it? Can I have a bite? Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us on our next SlimeBlingz episode, where we make a 4th of July inspired candy slime. Yes! We cracked the code and created a new recipe for you. Enjoy our edible Sour Patch Kids slime and my favorite, edible Swedish fish slime.
Having fun? Hit the like button for me.
Hello everybody, my name is Zaya.
My name's Zio.
And
Dale.
And we are
The SlimeBlingz.
Today we are going to be making some edible slime. We're going to make some red, white, and blue Swedish fish slime and some Sour Patch Kids slime.
Let's get slimy!
What do you have, Zio?
I have cornstarch, red, white, and blue Sour Patch Kids.
And I have red, white, and blue Swedish fish with some powdered sugar.
Let's get slimy! First step, make sure you have a responsible adult. It's gonna get hot.
Because we're going to microwave our gummy candy. Please be very careful when you heat up the candy. The candy is so hot, it is boiling. Use stove mittens to carry the bowl and that a responsible adult helps you.
We microwaved all our gummy candy, and now we're gonna add cornstarch and powdered sugar.
Now it's time to grease our spatulas.
So I'm grabbing my grease. I'm gonna put it right here all over.
A nice greased spatula.
I'm gonna mix up my ingredients.
And I'm going to start with my red one too. Okay, mine is not that good at forming. It's just, look at this. Mine isn't even turning into slime. I've never ever seen anyone melt Swedish fish.
But it does smell good, maybe.
Yeah. I need to go back to the microwave.
I think me too. It's getting super hard. We found a cheat. It makes it really easy to mix.
I'm going to add a little bit more cornstarch and a little bit more of powdered sugar. Just a minute. Okay. Oh wow, that's hot. That is hot. We found another cheat. Wrap your plastic bag into a dish towel to protect your hands as you smush and squish the bag to mix the candy slime.
Whew, that is hot! Now I'm gonna do the blue one. I think the Sour Patch Blue Kid is actually gonna turn into green. Well, I think they have green in it. Or maybe that. It's still a bit hot.
Here's a tip. Put a little bit of oil on your hands before playing with your slime so they don't stick. So I have my oil. We're gonna rub it in, like lotion. And this feels very weird. Okay, you ready to go, Zia?
Yeah. So first I'm gonna do my red.
Oh wow, look at my blue. It's still a little... Are you okay?
Yeah.
So my blue is still a little hot because it just came out of its second round in the microwave.
It's cooled off too much. Now it's getting too hard.
To take out, Theo?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Well, mine is a little hot because it just came out of the microwave, and on its first round, until it's fully melted, it's like this, all lumpy and stuff. But if you want it like soft like my red and blue, then you do it a second round and it's still hot. So be careful.
I just got my red one out.
I just got my red one out. So my first red one got a little hard because it was sitting down. And this is the newest one. And now it's like all fluent. And then I'm gonna see about my yellow. So this is the only one that didn't go in the microwave twice. And it's lumpy, like an instant massage. And I really like it. And lemons.
Can I
It's
taste
good.
yours?
Okay. It's lumpy, okay? It's lemon.
Lumpy lemon.
Lumpy lemon.
Wait a minute, that should be its name. Or massage lemon.
I think I like lumpy lemon. The blue one's really good too.
Wow.
You're just like...
Can I taste?
I told you it would get hard. There you go.
Especially mine.
At first I thought this was going to be a fail. But look at this stretch. And it's not as hard as Zio's, thank goodness.
That's an okay.
How about the blue?
So far, lemon's in the lead.
How's yours?
I'm trying to pop this.
Yeah, I really like the lemon too. It actually tastes like lemon.
Nope.
Sour.
Lemon's the top.
I'm trying to process. Nope, lemon's the top. And I've never seen any videos of people melting Swedish fish. So I think this episode was really good.
Blue's the top for mine.
Let me try.
Oh my god, look.
That's so smooth.
Yeah, nothing can break it. It's still smooth. Did you taste the blue?
That is sour. Oh yeah, it's made out of Sour Patch Kids. But
What do you expect?
sour. I think mine are my favorites.
What? There's plenty more. I think I need some water.
I know because it's so sour.
No,
Here, drink some water.
No, not candy water. I need water.
Here, have a lemon drop. I'll make you some.
No, thank you. I actually need water.
Yes, but it has butter inside.
This makes a really stretchy slime.
Yeah.
Maybe not isn't a bad thing after all. Look.
Delicious. Get your slime.
And that's it. That got time.
Joe, do you like it? Can I have a bite? Would you like to have
Can I
a
have a
bite?
bite, Tail?
He said he needs to go get some water.
This was a lot of fun.
Oh yeah. Thank you for joining us.
See you next time. This makes really stretchy slime.
Oh wow. Want to have some fun with this slime? You okay, Joe? Delicious.
And that's it. And that's it.
I guess your slime ingredients were much harder. Oh no.
This is so yummy.
Mom, now what is poop?
His poop is not ready.
Good. One.
Hello everybody, my name is Zara.
My name's Zio.
And who are you?
Hello.
And we are
The SlimeBlingz.
Today we are going to do a 4th of July red, white, and blue edible slime.
Let's get slimy.
That's slimy.
One.
Hello everybody, my My name is Zaya.
My name's Zio.
And who are you?
Theo.
And we are
The SlimeBlingz.
Today we are going to do a 4th of July red, white, and blue edible slime.
Equal.
Yes, we're going to start with the marshmallows and then, yes, and it's super fluffy. And then next round we're going to do the Swedish fish, red, white, and blue.
I'm not that family.
You're going to make a slime bling?